So I have given at this question, if the system is in equilibrium, find the value of 2n. This entire system is in equilibrium. So equilibrium means, what is the meaning of this term? Equilibrium. It means that net force is zero, net torque is zero. Resultant torque, resultant force is zero. That is the meaning of equilibrium. Now, we will draw the free body diagram. It is given like this. We will draw like this. This is our axis of rotation. You can check this is our axis of rotation. Here 200 gram is placed. This is 200 gram. Its weight will be m into g down, converting to kg to g. Its distance from the axis of rotation is 55. Similarly, one tension force, it will act in this direction. Now, first of all, you will find the value of this tension force. So, in this wire, tension is up, buoyancy because of liquid, one weight. So, tension will be, since it is in equilibrium, that force will be 0, W minus B. So, W will be what? M into G. Buoyancy is how much volume is? Volume of substance is immersed in the liquid. So total volume will be, it is a cube. Side length is 10 centimeter. So 10 to the power 3 centimeter cube. Convert into meter cube. Like this. Volume multiply. In which liquid this solid is going to immerse. That is the density of fluid. That is water. Into G. So we got mg minus G. So I can write G m minus 1. Yeah. So now this, where is our axis of rotation? This is, I consider this is my axis of rotation. So net torque about this axis will be 0. So one torque will, because of this weight, one torque will be because of this tension. Okay. Now net torque because of tension will be force multiply perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation 2 by 100. Since it is clockwise, so we will take minus 200 by 100. It is providing anti-clockwise torque. Okay. So we will take plus 200 by 1000 multiply G, force multiply perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation, 55 by 100 equals 0. So we got T multiply 2 by 100, 25 by 100, 1 by 4, multiply 200 by 1000 G. So I am doing very easy manner. I am solving in a very easy manner because you will solve quickly. Within a second you can solve equation. Okay, that's not a big deal. But my main motto is to make you understand how to approach such problem. So whenever they are saying equilibrium word, it means net force is 0, net torque is 0. So just put the value of T, comes out to be G m minus 1 multiply 1 by 50. Clear? So it will be 2 zeros, 2 0 cancel, 2 1 0 2, 2 5 0, like this. So 1 by 20 G, G cancel, like this. So m minus 1 is equal to what? 5 by 2. So m will be what? 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is 3.5. 3.5 kg. is the value of m. But actually, they are not asking m. What they are asking? They are asking the value of 2m. So 2m will be what? 2 multiply 3.5 comes out to 7. I hope this doubt is clear. Chalo.